What is the one word for cause to move forward with force? The correct answer is propel. What is the one word for a sudden violent change in the Earth's surface? The correct answer is catastrophe. What is the one word for hesitant or lacking confidence, unsettled in mind or opinion? The correct answer is tentative. What is the one word for the single one of its kind? The correct answer is unique. What is the one word for moving in time or space without interruption? The correct answer is continuous. What is the one word for piece of furniture that stands at the side of a dining room? The correct answer is buffet. What is the one word for fail to agree with, go against? The correct answer is violate. What is the one word for having rugged physical strength? The correct answer is hardy. What is the one word for wicked, evil, or dishonorable? The correct answer is sinister. What is the one word for narrate or give a detailed account of? The correct answer is recount. What is the one word for present in great quantity? The correct answer is abundant. What is the one word for suited to your comfort or purpose or needs? The correct answer is convenient. What is the one word for lengthen or extend in duration or space? The correct answer is sustain. What is the one word for an unpleasant or difficult situation? The correct answer is predicament. What is the one word for discover or determine the existence, presence, or fact of? The correct answer is detect. What is the one word for be fully aware of, realize fully? The correct answer is appreciate. What is the one word for spread by scattering? The correct answer is strew. What is the one word for the arrangement of the body and its limbs? The correct answer is posture. What is the one word for present as worthy of regard, kindness, or confidence? The correct answer is commend. What is the one word for form the substance of? The correct answer is compose.